my YouTubers, and welcome back to a brand new series. This series is for people who don't know many things of the Roblox studio. So this because for whoever does not know many things with the Roblox studio, I can help you with some things I know. So now let's not waste any more time. Now let's just get started. So now, like if you know that I just made a video of how to make a button that opens a frame in Roblox Studio. This is already in YouTube I created. And now I just made it kind of differently. So now I am now just going to click the frame, and we need it visible. The script is fine. It just does not have any red lines or anything wrong with it. But if I play, now that I'm in the game, I just click the open frame. This actually doesn't work for some reason. And so let's just see. And also the exit button for the frame is also a text label, which we don't want. This is a text label. This is because why the script did not work? Because that thing in the local script, that which is called the exit button, which is the button that closes the frame, I just added a text label, not a text button. And also text labels are unclickable. So now let's just make the frame visible again. Now let's just do everything properly. To close, and I'm gonna make it bold, text white, and text scaled. Now we're going to make the frame invisible again. So now let's just click the plate, see what happens. So now that my avatar is now the spawn location, I click open frame, and as you see, everything works as it should. And just because this thing over here, which says close, it was an unclickable button, which is a text label. And whenever you're making this kind of thing, do not add a text label, because if you do, then nothing will work. So this is all for this thing to solve. And if you like this channel, please subscribe if you like my channel. And of course, if you like this video, please make sure to give it a like. And of course, this video is for some people who work with Roblox Studio but don't know many things about the studio and about the script. And this is Pavdi13 leaving. Bye!